What's up, YouTube? It's Johnny V here, C John Vlog, covering the expansion of the Treasure Bay parking lot. How you like that? It's not open yet. They got a lot of blacktopping done. I'm trying to cover the microphone from the wind. The wind's really windy out here. Looks like they did a good job so far. Got a nice little parking area. I don't want to walk on it. I think the blacktop might still be wet, if that's possible. Sure looks wet. Man, they got some more. They're doing some more back here too. They're making an expansion over here. Yeah, it looks like they got a road going back there. I don't know what they're gonna put back there. They got a road going back there. They're building a road anyway. And all the blacktop they tore up. It's the beach right there if you can't see it. That's the Treasure Bay right there. Like a Motel 6. Or barely. I don't know if it's better or Motel 6 or worse, but it's about the same. I think. They planted some grass here. Yeah, I just wanted to show you all that. Some people might be interested in seeing. Alright, well y'all have a good one. It's really windy. I got my fingers covering the microphone. I don't know if it's helping. I'll check y'all later.